Hey guys, it snowed yesterday. I accidentally deleted the log or slash or something, but then there was ice. Ice came also. Oh, it's so cold out here. Look, I built the snowman. My foot was stuck in that ice. My foot's so cold. I'll show you the front yard. And over here, you can't see it. Over here. This yard. They don't have snow. And then here's my backyard and the porch. Wait. The camera's off. Over there is the most spot with snow right now. Oh my goodness. But there's my swing set. There's my neighbors. There's still snow on the roof. Here's a side yard. And today, January the 7th. Still haven't melted. Just go look. The other side. So cold. It's very cold for some reason. Look at the snow. Since I'm not lying, look. Can you not see it? Look. Look at my hand. You see this? Look. See, I'm not lying. My foot's getting very close, so I have to go in. And yeah. And still look. I'm not sure where to look at though. But look at my neighbors. My neighbor's car is still full of snow. Bye guys, and subscribe for more daily videos, and like if you want more videos. Bye!